Great property management isn't just about collecting rent. Now, people often think that property management is collecting rent and organising repairs. How hard can it be? Well, there's a little bit more to it than that. And being an expert in cleaning up portfolios, I'm going to give you one current real example. Just taken over a property for new owners, and this had been ongoing for months. They were hoping to transition something that was a little bit cleaner for me, but that didn't work. There had been a domestic violence issue, an eviction, massive rent arrears, substandard insurance claim, and when the tenant finally moved out, the rubbish removalist accidentally threw away 2 kitchen cupboard doors. Now, that might sound like a big problem in itself, but you have to think about it. You have new tenants that have moved into a property and they're missing cupboard doors, and you've got property owners that just actually want their property restored. And then you've got the poor tradesperson who accidentally threw the cupboards out, and it's not his specialty to do cabinetry. And trying to get cabinet makers to go across town to replace 2 cupboard doors is near impossible. So after 7 weeks of lots of emails backwards and forwards and phone calls going unanswered and tenants being inconvenienced repeatedly, everyone is frustrated. And you don't blame them. Okay, I don't blame them for being frustrated because nobody has a solution. There is no clear direction. So I had to take over the file regardless of how untidy it is. I had visited the property prior to the tenants moving in, and I did pay attention to the fact that there was a label inside one of the cupboard doors leading to the make of the cabinetry. And with my extensive renovation experience and a lot of common sense, I did my homework and I sent everybody my very usual, very long, no nonsense, very detailed photos, references to pages, to everybody. And within one morning, I've got a resolution back from the tradesperson. Amazing, thank you so much. The previous agent could not provide this info and it was proving challenging to match. Do you have a recommended handyman? Now, this is what experience does. Sometimes solving problems is not about working harder, it's about knowing what to look for. My job isn't to organise the trades, it's to solve the problems. It's to connect the right people, provide everybody with a clear strategy, set the expectations, and keep everyone informed and moving towards the solution. I'm confident this issue is going to be resolved within the next couple of weeks for something that had been sitting there for almost 2 months. And that's the difference. Property managers generally collect rent, but great property management actually solves problems. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.